Hi, and welcome to one of our videos in the DIY range. New Trades Career run courses in plumbing, electrics, gas, renewables and welding. We've made some general videos for you to help you increase your DIY skills. But if you're looking to become a fully qualified tradesperson, visit www.newtradescareer.co.uk and we'll help you achieve your goals. One of the most common jobs you're going to do as a plumber is to repair and replace taps. Here we're going to talk you through the process of replacing a tap washer. Previously the water has been turned off, which must take place before you dismantle any component. The first thing we need to do is to remove the cap of the tap, and this can be gently prised off with a screwdriver, taking care not to damage it. A flat screwdriver gently inserted under the cap, prise and remove. Put it somewhere safe. We now expose the retaining screw that's holding the temperature indicator and the head of the tap in place. This also needs to be removed. Simply unscrew the retaining screw and gently remove. Put to a safe place so that it's not lost, and take all three components out and lift. By doing this, this has now exposed the spindle of the tap, and the washer is on the bottom of that. Having exposed the spindle of the tap, we now need to remove it from the tap body itself. We can do so with an adjustable spanner. Set the size of the spanner to the size of the nut and gently turn anti-clockwise. When it's loose enough, this can be removed by hand. With the spindle removed, this now exposes our damaged washer. We can see on this washer that it's got a groove in there causing the tap to leak. If we compare that against a new washer which is flat, this is what we need to put in. Care would need to be taken each time to make sure you get the right washer for the tap. It may be that it's a different size, it may also be that it's a different shape. It's a good idea to have a selection of washers with you. Remove the retaining screw that's holding the washer in place. And again, remove to a place of safety, remove the washer as well. Insert the new washer onto the end of the spindle and push firmly into position. Insert the retaining screw and using a screwdriver, apply some pressure without over tightening. While the tap is exposed, we will have a look at the seating on the inside to make sure it's not damaged. If it is, we can cut a new face onto the seat using a tap reseating tool. Make sure that the tap is open by turning the spindle anti-clockwise. This means the washer is high up as possible. Insert the spindle back into the body of the tap, having inspected it, and turn only hand tight at this stage. Finally, you can complete the installation by pinching up with your adjustable spanner. Again, taking care not to over tighten. Reinstall the head of the tap, the temperature indicator and the retaining screw. Finally, complete the repair by installing the cap onto the top of the tap. The tap is now ready for testing and handing over to the customer.